Gonna go for T-Rex. Oh, just the butt. I'm really happy with the shot. Overcooked it. Right, now I need to take my second shot and learn. I'm on a 2 to 14 now. Yeah, I mean, I'm from the spot I'm looking at, I'm 3 inches high. So, okay. Yes, lovely. You see those arrows coming outside. I don't care about that. They do go where I'm looking when I'm looking in the right place. Please don't go wrong. Anyway. Gonna go for, oh, what's the other thing? Gonna go for the snake's head. Oh, off to the right. I'm gonna go for the snake's head again because I was quite happy with that. That's just by the green ball. The height was pretty good. Just off to the right a little bit. Come on, snake's head, snake's head. 20 yards. Oh, just above. Oh well.